Hey everybody, Mr. B here and welcome to the Loft. Today we're going to do some honey garlic pork chops. I'm starving, so let's get this started. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start heating a skillet with a good chunk of olive oil. Get that heating up. So while we're heating up our skillet, let's get started on the ingredients you're going to need for this thing. So I'm using a bone-in pork chop. You can use boneless if you want. I find that the bone-in tends to pack more flavor and a lot more moisture. That's just me personally. A buttload of garlic, very important. If garlic is in the name of something, right, then use the hell out of some garlic. Here I've got equal parts salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some paprika. Some parsley for garnish, a little fresh. Some green onions, again, garnish, some fresh. And we got some apple cider vinegar, use a couple of tablespoons of that. A little stock on hand just in case we need it. A little butter when we get ready to make the sauce. And some honey. We are going to season our pork chops and go big or go home, okay? You want to get everything coated. We have our skillet good and hot. Gonna get our chops down. What we're going for here, guys, is just a little bit of color. We're not cooking them all the way through as they will simmer in the sauce. Okie dokie, I think we're getting some good color on these, so we're just gonna give them a flip. Look at that, how beautiful is that? There is nothing better than a pan-seared pork chop in my opinion. Now let's check the other side here. That's looking good to me. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Okay, now I'm going to pull these off, put them on a plate here. Now, do not line the plate with paper towels, okay? You want to put whatever juices is going to come out of this back into your end sauce, okay? So let's just pull them off. I'm gonna let him rest for a little bit. I'll get him. Come here. Okay. And we're gonna pull this heat down. And my butter goes in. Now I'm gonna add my garlic. And we're gonna let this go just till it blooms, opens up a little bit. Just give it a swish. Don't want it to burn, but you want that garlic to get all up into the oil, okay? Because that's where your flavor is gonna be. Now my honey. Bring the heat down. We're gonna need to just pop this with a little bit of chicken stock here. And a couple of tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. And we're gonna let this work. I'm gonna hit this with a little bit of fresh parsley. A little bit of these green onions too, because why not, right? Absolutely amazing. We're going to give this a swish. And I'm going to add my pork chops back in and whatever type of any of the juices that may have collected. And I'm just gonna baste with all of that sauce. Let's crank the heat back up just a little bit, let everything kind of come together and hopefully reduce. All right, guys, let's get this plated up. This is screaming for something to soak this sauce up, right? Rice, mashed potatoes even, any type of whole grain. So what I had on hand is some lentil rice here, which I think is gonna pair great. May not be so beautiful on camera, but it's full of umami and very, very savory, which is gonna pair really nice with the pork chops. So let's just set a couple of porky porks. Look at that. And we're gonna spoon some of this delicious honey garlic glaze. Look at that syrupy. Hope you like garlic. And then next up here, I've got some roasted asparagus with some Parmesan cheese. So let's get these guys kind of tucked in there. What's not to like about that, right? A little bit of lemon on the side. And let's hit it with some more of that beautiful green onions. And a little bit of fresh parsley for everything to be special. And then lastly, I'm going to hit it with just a little bit of some sesame seeds, because why not, right? And there you have it, guys. Honey garlic pork chops. Click like, hit subscribe. Come along for the ride, guys. I'm going to dig into this, and we're going to see you next time. Cheers. I got to tell you kids something. Y'all need to try this. That's out of this world. I bet it would be amazing with chicken as well. Especially once again if you were doing something bone in. This is like weeknight level fast, if you know what I'm saying. But good enough for a dinner party. In any case, that's where we're gonna leave it. For real this time, I promise. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you didn't like it, click thumbs down. The algorithm doesn't care, nor do I. And we hopefully will see you next time. Cheers.
What the fuck did you do? Porky, you don't need asparagus.